On this episode of The Outsiders, Chase and Selah go on a tubing adventure at Ichetucknee Springs State Park.
Prepare to get wet.
Hey, settle down.
The Ichetucknee River is 6 miles of crystal clear fun.
See, that's better. Sit back and take it in.
Chase, isn't it so peaceful out here?
Then Selah goes surfing in a lake.
I did good on the grass, but that's grass.
You can't surf in a lake.
You're right, you got. Ooh!
And now I've seen everything.
She did good.
All this on The Outsiders Club.
Come on, let's go outside. We're gonna have some fun outside. It's where we are, it's who we are. It's the Outsiders Club.
Wait! What were you doing?
I was letting some air out of my tube. I like my tube soft.
Wait, you've never been tubing. How do you know you like a soft tube?
Well, I like soft pillows, soft ice cream, soft hugs.
Okay. Welcome to the Outsiders Club. I'm Selah.
And I'm Chase. Today we're here at Ichetucknee Springs State Park, located about an hour north of Gainesville.
We're here for an epic tubing adventure on the Ichetucknee River, where we'll be sharing all of our tips to make the most out of your tubing trip.
Selah here is a tubing expert. She'll be showing me how this tubing thing here is done. And by the way, where's this oversized golf cart taking us?
It's a tram, and it's taking us to the tube launching area. But you're not launching anything until you put some more air in that tube.
Really? You think?
While Chase refills his tube, let me tell you more about this beautiful state park. Ichetucknee Springs State Park is a true Florida gem. This state park has tons of TTDs. Here are a few. You can go snorkeling, picnicking, canoeing, swimming, hiking, wildlife viewing, and of course, tubing. The park's main features are its springs, and together they spill over 200 million gallons of water a day, creating one of the most scenic and clear rivers in Florida, the Ichetucknee River. All that beautiful water flowing creates the only clear water tubing experience in Florida, and the river rolls at the pitch-perfect pace of 1 mile an hour, which is a fantastic speed for the tubing arts.
Did you just refer to tubing as an art?
Duh, the art of relaxation. Come on, let's go.
Look at this river. It looks awesome. It's so clear.
I told you, Chase, you're gonna love this. Hey, while Chase and I get set to go tubing, did you know that you can surf on a lake? Well, you can, and I did. I am on Prairie Lake in Central Florida, here to meet Josh Kraft, who is going to teach me how to wake surf. Selah.
Josh,
Nice to meet you.
You too. I love all water sports. If it has to do with water, I'm on it. I do it.
I am so excited. I've never done it, but I've always wanted to try.
So what is it about wake surfing that you love, Josh?
I've done wakeboarding on a competitive level. I've done jet skiing on a competitive level, but nothing has stood out more to me than wake surfing. Just the feel, the flow, and how much style you can put into your riding. It just continues, and you always are progressing. So, before we get on the boat, I'm gonna take you through a couple fundamentals so that once we do go out on the water, it's easier to get started and get going. It's going to be the same as surfing. The only difference is that you're gonna be holding a rope.
Oh, okay.
You're just gonna basically lay down on it as usual.
Just paddling position, like you're
Just paddling position like standard, but now you're gonna be holding rope, and the boat's gonna be pulling you, and once you're ready to get up, you basically are just going to hold the rope. The rope's gonna have slack in it, and that's when you're gonna pop up, just like a surfboard. So you'll go to your knees.
Knees and then to your feet?
Then your feet, just like that, perfect.
Okay.
I did good on the grass, but that's grass.
So once I get up, is the wave pushing me or is the boat pulling me?
The wave is gonna be pushing the entire time. The rope is simply just for a comfort, just a balance, but you really don't need it once you're up. You're gonna be on your toes to lean into the wave, on your heels to come out of it, So if you get moving too fast, just lean back, and then you'll slow down, and then just lean forward to go forward. Yep.
Josh seems super capable. I mean, I know I'm in good hands. I'm not worried about like learning how to do it. I'm worried about like actually doing it.
Do I hold on to the rope or do
You can hold onto the rope, and when you're comfortable, you can then throw it back onto the boat, and then it's the real surfing experience. Yeah. No rope, you're just carving it up. So do you have any more questions?
Yeah, where's the boat?
Oh, I'll show you the boat.
I'm ready to like do this, like get wet, just go for it.
Well, this is the boat.
Whoa, I have never seen a boat like this. This is crazy.
This is my brother, Mason.
Hi, I'm Selah.
Me and my brother have grown up on this lake. If I'm riding, he's driving. If I'm driving, he's riding. We go back and forth, except he kind of loves to film. While I'm riding, he's filming me, and we're just working together to create something that no one else does.
What kind of camera is that?
This is a Canon 80D. I have my still camera, and I also use a underwater action camera for all my extreme sports shots. And then to get up in the air, I have a drone, and that's what I use for a lot of my videos.
Before we get Selah in the water, I'm just dialing in the settings. There's so many different options. Since she's a beginner, I can just change every little bit to just help her get up easier. This boat is amazing. There's so much I can do. Wakesurfing's been around for a while now, but recent boat designs have just taken the sport to a whole new level. The boat that me and Selah are going to be wakesurfing on today is a Nautique G23. It's specifically designed for wakesurfing. Most boats are designed to keep water out. This boat, you want to have more water in it so that it will sink lower in the water, hence making a bigger wave coming from the back. All right, we're here. So Mason, you're gonna drive, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do it so I can show you.
Yeah, that'll be really helpful.
All right, and while I'm riding, you can sit right back here.
Okay.
So you can watch, and I'll just tell you what I'm doing as I'm riding.
All right.
If you have a question, I'll be right there, so you can just ask me, and I'll let you know.
All right.
So I just want everyone to remember to always be safe when they're on the water, no matter what sport you're participating in. Always wear your life jacket. You know, if you were to fall and hit your head or get knocked out, that's what's gonna save your life.
Hey Josh, you ready?
All right, Mason, just go ahead and get me up and take me around the lake.
All right, let's go.
You're gonna want to put your hands down, just like you're getting up on a surfboard. Slowly come up to your knees. Slowly come up to your knees. Just like that.
Look at that endless wave. I can't believe how close he is to the boat.
You ready to try this?
So I am a little nervous. I mean, I know it's gonna be fun, but I'm a little.
Prepare to get wet.
Oh no. Hey, you're watching The Outsiders Club.
And when we come back, we're gonna jump in the river.
Don't go away. Welcome back. Chase and I are here at Ichetucknee Springs State Park about to go tubing.
I think that should be good.
Okay, Chase, here are a few tips. First, I like to use a dry bag so we can keep things like towels and phones dry.
Wait, if we're using a dry bag, then does that mean you're prepared to get wet?
Well, maybe. Why?
No reason.
Okay. Well, I also like to use a smaller tube as a caddy so we can put all your stuff in.
Perfect. I was wondering where I was gonna put all this stuff. I got a ball, I got a mask, I got a net, jeans, and an anchor.
Jeans and an anchor? You're not gonna need this stuff while you're tubing. Where did it even come from? You know what? I don't want to know. Here are some things you might actually need. Bring waterproof sunscreen. Also bring drinking water in a non-disposable bottle and no glass containers. You will want to bring some water shoes or flip-flops, as tubing does require some trail walking. I like to tie mine to the raft like this, so I don't end up with just one shoe. And lastly, I leave all my jewelry at home.
Can we stop talking about tubing and actually go tubing?
Yeah, okay. so peaceful out here, Chase? I just love looking up at the trees and listening to all the wildlife. Because if you listen, you can really hear a lot of nature. Chase, are you listening to me?
Prepare to get wet.
Oh no.
It's all I need to get that out of my system.
Same.
Check this out. The Ichetucknee River is 6 miles of crystal clear fun
And is surrounded by a wide variety of wildlife, like wild turkey. Hey, Mr. Turkey. Go on, go, 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 go. You can see deer, plenty of turtles. Look at them, just chilling on the log. All kinds of birds, raccoons, and even river otters. It's like being on a liquid conveyor belt of wildlife goodness.
A liquid conveyor belt of wildlife goodness.
Yeah,
You know, that's actually pretty good.
yes it is.
Hey, want a cool Outsiders Club t-shirt? Go to theoutsidersclub.com and get your one.
Hey, don't go away.
This is a lot harder than it looks.
All right, you got it. You got it. Just go to your knees. Oh, there you go.
You're watching the Outsiders Club. We'll be right back.
Hey, while we're getting tubelicious on the Ichetucknee River, let's get back to watching Selah wake surfing. Girl, you were killing it. I really want to try that.
It is so fun. Wait until you see what we did next. I am on Prairie Lake in Central Florida, here to meet Josh Kraft, who is going to teach me how to wake surf. Nervous, excited. So far, I did good on the grass.
Pop up just like a surfboard. So you'll go to your knees,
Knees and then to your feet.
then to your feet, just like that. Perfect.
Okay. If that's any indicator, I think I'll be okay.
One more tip. Watch this nose. If the nose goes down, so do you. All right, Mason, I want to give Selah a nice, slow, and easy wave so that she can get up. All right?
All right, I got it.
Just remember to pull to this side. All right? All right, here we go. Get up on your knees. You're right, you got it. Ooh, you're so close. All right, she was almost there. We just gotta she's gotta have a little bit more balance when she gets on her knees, and then after that, it should be pretty simple. All right, Mason, dial it down a little bit more, a little bit slower. We should be good.
All right, I got you.
Let's try it again.
This is a lot harder than it looks.
All right, you got it. You got it. Just go to your knees. Oh, there you go.
I don't even know how many times I've fallen. The overwhelming feeling of like, can I even do this?
All right, let's go ahead and take a break. So I can tell Selah's a little frustrated. I need to bring her up, take a break, and give her some advice and some encouragement.
When I get like to the point where I'm on my knees, like I feel so wobbly. Why is that?
All right, so it could be that your knees are a little too far back on the board, causing it to just sling around a lot. We're gonna wanna move your knees up a little bit more. You're gonna wanna come up slower, you know, keep your arms on the board and just bring your knees up, and that should allow you to be a little bit more stable. You're so close, like you're right there. With these couple tips, I think you'll get it.
Okay. It is a little freaky being so close to the boat. Like sometimes I'll like look down at my hands to like, you know, I'm gonna get up, and then I'll look up and like the boat's right there and I'm like, whoa, and then I don't end up getting up because it freaks me out. But I think I'm getting more used to it, the boat being so close, and it's not freaking me out as much. So hopefully I can get up next time.
This is like a critical time in the learning process where it's either you want to continue or you're just tired and you're done.
So I'm out there, I'm on my knees, and Josh goes, get up, pop up to your feet. And so I'm like, ah, but then I do it, and I actually stay there. I finally did it. Yes, oh my gosh.
I'm super stoked that Selah finally got up.
It's like that whole feeling of trying something new, it's totally what being an outsider is about, because, you know, going outside and trying new activities that you honestly you did not think you could do before, and then finding out that you can do it. I feel like more people need to feel that.
All right, so I want you to come right up here. Go back. Come on, hold it lower. All right, now try to go on the rope. Yeah!
Once you throw the rope, it's just you and the wave, and it feels so free. It feels great.
I mean, for getting up right like that and then throwing the rope and just being able to stay there, I mean, that takes talent. You got it, good job. How do you feel?
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I mean, the adrenaline rush I just got from that was insane.
I mean, you did it, that's it. That's wake surfing. You stayed on that wave longer than anyone else I've ever taught. I'm stoked.
Today was a great example of overcoming like a fear of doing something. Like when we first started, I was really intimidated and I didn't know if I could do this. But then once I got on the water and I started to get the hang of it, it was such a great feeling to know that you overcame your fears. And I would just encourage everybody to get outside and try something new, because you never know, you might actually really love it.
You're watching the Outsiders Club. We'll be right back.
So Chase, what did you think of tubing?
Well, it was pretty good. What's not to love? I mean, that was, what, 90 minutes of pure bliss.
I know, right? What's not to love? The clear water, the scenery. I love tubing here on the Ichetucknee River. Well, that's all the time we have for today, but we do have time for this.
Oh, no, she didn't. Hey, check us out at theoutsidersclub.com, and remember, keep it outside.
You're stranded. That was a crazy ride.
You want to go again?
I'll pass.